Imported Silk Interlayer Laminated Glass is a premium decorative safety glass products developed by TopoGlass, a professional glass processing manufacturer. This product features a unique combination of high-strength glass and imported silk fabrics, laminated together using advanced PVB or EVA interlayer technology under high temperature and pressure. The embedded silk fabric adds a sophisticated texture and luxurious aesthetics to the glass, creating a soft interplay of light and shadow. It balances translucency and privacy, making it ideal for spaces requiring visual separation without sacrificing natural light. Engineered for both function and beauty, this glass offers excellent impact resistance, UV protection, and sound insulation. Even when broken, the glass shards remain adhered to the interlayer, ensuring enhanced safety. It is available in various structures, such as 5 plus 0.765 millimeters or 6 plus 1.1 for plus 6 millimeters, and can be fully customized in thickness, pattern, and size according to project needs.